Alright, YouTube, what's up? Check this bad boy out. The Super Ball, the crappy ball. So anyway, I've been getting water in here, having to vacuum this out, and that ain't what you want. It's just too frustrating. So what I want to do is redo this, because I've done a video on shutting this thing down. So I'm just gonna pull this to about here. This over here. Look at there, water's still nice and clear. I just need to get past that. I can get that out. Yeah, there's that balloon there. Come here, buddy. Freaking string. Alright, take this piece of crap out. Alright, now that's the thing. I'm gonna hope I can get this over this thing. Wow. Holy guacamole. I might end up needing a long pole. Ooh, yeah, that thing is up there. Okay, let's get it over where we can. Whoa, 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 whoo. Man, I about fell up in there. Ah, that wasn't good. Alright, baby, come on. Yeah, probably gonna need some help anchoring this thing down, but anyway, as you can see, I'm hoping this tarp's gonna still be big enough. I may have to let some air out of the ball, but I'm thinking, yeah, that's gonna have where the water's just gonna run right off the sides, and I won't have to do vacuuming out the water. But I'll do another video and show what the final results looks like. This is Tubi Man. I am out.